Alright, in this video I am going to show you how you can go and set your colors for throughout your website. Sometimes it's referred to as global colors or base color. So it's going to be like it's going to be the default colors for a couple of different things. So we do this in two different places. Let me show you the first one. Come up to customize, the top left. And then come down to colors and backgrounds, and under base colors, this is where we can change it. Now, some of this is already custom. So like this button here would typically sometimes be controlled by the theme color. As you can see on the bottom right-hand side here, this scroll to top button, I believe that's part of the theme color. So if we went and changed that, just so you guys can see, so, all right, we might have to publish it. Let me just, the link color maybe. Okay, so the link color here, the bottom right-hand corner, the scroll to top, that's what, part of that is the link color is changed. Also, if you had any hyperlinks going out anywhere, or if you had like a phone number, I can recommend putting in here, and we can show you how to do that. If it was a button that you could push and actually dial the number, that would probably be red. You can always change it if you want. The links up the top, you can see, have gone red. So there's certain things throughout the website that will just default to these colors. So totally up to you. I would use your most primary dominant colors for this. So you can just come along here, and for this, you just drop this down and put your hex code in here. And then that's the same thing. Text color, again, this is just white. If I change this to black, you can see like the default text color is actually white, just because this theme is quite dark. So a lot of the main text is on dark backgrounds. So you can set that up, and then link hover. So when you kind of hover over one of these hyperlinks, if you wanted to have, I just don't have any on this page to show you. And then the background color, obviously, if you wanted to change that. So and what is it? RGGB. Okay. So if you want to change that, it's going to change the background to certain places. Now this is all controlled in other places as well. It's just a matter of, I'm not going to save any of this. It's just a matter of, it's kind of like the default. So you can always change it when we're building out a row or whatever element we're working on. Now the other place I want to show you where you need to go and set this up is if you just go into the editor mode. So from any of your pages, just go to Page Builder and then pull up one of the elements you have, and then you can just come along to typography, and then you can do this. It doesn't matter what element. If you're pulling up certain elements, as long as you see the box here where it gives you the color option, so you can open that, and as you can see, the hex color is at the top there. And if I pull up my preset colors, these are all the preset colors that I have. So I can either delete these just by the X, or if I want to add a new one, I can just go to color picker. So I can do it two ways. I can do it just by visually looking and say, oh, okay, I like that pink, and then hit the little add button. Or if I know the hex code of something, I can, let me just see if I can remember. Well, that's like a light gray. And then you can just add that as well. And then that is going to appear wherever this box gets pulled up. Your presets will be down the bottom there. So this will be pulled up over in typography. If you can change, I guess you can't change the color there, but if we went up to one of our headings and wanted to change the color, it is now set wherever this color box appears. So they're the only two places you need to install the colors. I hope you guys found that easy. And again, it's like setting up the fonts. Once you do this once, you don't have to do it again. And if you just take the time to go and input all your text, all your hex colors, it's going to save you a lot of trouble and back and forth trying to find those hex colors. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed.